Hey everyone, this is just a quick look at this softbox lighting kit. This is a great starter kit for anyone who wants to get into photography. Also, if you've ever tried those cheap small LED light panels and were disappointed, then these are the right lights for you. These lights are great for lighting people or objects. Starting off with the bulbs, these are E27 socket LED bulbs, and each have a light intensity of 5,600 lumens. These are the soft boxes. They have a super reflective inside and this plastic cover on the front that disperses the light. One thing you must know when buying these is it only comes with one remote. The remote does work on both lights and can control them separately, but if they're close together like I have here, then it can be difficult to get one to the right settings without messing the other one up. The remote has the brightness and temperature settings on it, and then you can do finer adjustments with these other buttons. And I wish the remote could tell me the temperature of the light, but it doesn't, so I usually just set it to the white and go with that for the daylight temperature. I actually have these lights mounted on the ceiling because that keeps them out of the way and works best for me. But when I did use the tripods, they worked fine. They're actually surprisingly sturdy and support the weight of the lights just fine, even when they're at full extension. Anyway, I hope that was helpful, and thanks for watching.